Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to edit Instagram photos like a pro. So first of all, you open up the Instagram app, then you click on the plus and the square with the plus. Please note that you should have taken a high quality Instagram photo. So when you're taking the photo, you click on the photo that you want to edit. It can be in form of post or in the form of a story. So you press next. Now we have to note a few things. Editing Instagram photos like a pro involves a combination of technical skills and an artistic eye. Here's a breakdown. You start with a good foundation, quality shot. Like I said before, you have to make sure you have taken a good pic. The best editing can save a blurry or poorly composed photo. Prioritize good lighting, especially natural lights, and use your phone's grid lines to ensure your composition is balanced. High resolution, I've stated before. Ensure your photos are taken in the highest resolution possible. This gives you more flexibility during editing. 2. Essential editing techniques: cropping and straightening. Crop out distracting elements and focus on your subjects. Straighten horizons for a polished look. Exposure and contrast. Adjust exposure to brighten or darken the image. Increase contrast to make the image pop or decrease it for a softer look. White balance. Correct color cast by adjusting the white balance. This ensures colors appear natural and accurate. Color correction. Fine-tune colors using saturation, vibrancy, and hue adjustment. Pay attention to skin tones and ensure they look natural. Sharpness and clarity. Increase sharpness to enhance details, but avoid over-sharpening. Adjust clarity to add depth and texture. Selective adjustments. Use tools that allow you to edit specific areas of your photo. This gives you more control over your edits. Now, the tools and apps, which is number 3. Instagram built-in editor. Instagram offers basic editing tools including filters, brightness, contrast, and more. It's a good start point for quick edits. If you want to know what I'm talking about, the Instagram built-in editor is literally this. So this right here is the Instagram built-in editor down here. So when you click on those 2 lines with the dots, you'll see adjust, lux, brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlight, shadows, vignette, tilt, shift, and sharpening. So you can use this. And if you don't use Instagram's built-in editor, you can use Adobe Lightroom Mobile. A powerful mobile app with advanced editing tools, offers precise control over colors, tones, and details. You can also use Snapseed, a free and versatile app with a wide range of editing tools, excellent for selective adjustment and detailed edits. You can also use VSCO, known for its film-like filters and subtle editing tools. Great for creating a consistent, authentic aesthetic. Pro tips, that's number 4. You can develop a consistent style. Choose a color palette and editing style that reflects your personality or brand. This creates a cohesive and visually appealing field. Use presets. Presets can save you time and make you achieve a consistent look. You can create your own presets or download them from other photographers. Don't over edit. Subtlety is key. Avoid overly processed photos that look unnatural. Pay attention to details. Zoom in and check for imperfections before posting. Practice. The more you edit, the better you become. Experiment with different tools and techniques. By following these tips, you can elevate your Instagram photos and create stunning visuals.